Okay, now students, write down. I have written here. Today we are talking about reported speech, and we are going to check direct speech and indirect speech of optative sentences. Okay. The reporting verb. Write down everyone. When the direct speech is an optative sentence, the reporting verb said is changed to trade-based desire, trade-based desired, curse, etc. All are written? Write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. Once again I am repeating. Here it is given that when the direct speech is an optative sentence, the reporting verb said is changed to prayed, wished, desired, cursed, etc. Write fast, everyone. Okay, now I think you all have written. I am giving you question. Okay, you have to change. Same process. Yesterday you have changed. I am giving you one. Then you may able to understood. Write down. The people said in a chorus, "Long live the king." I am writing on the blackboard. The people said. The people said, comma, inverted comma, sorry, in a chorus, in a chorus, long live the king, long live the king, long live the king. Write down everyone. I think you all have written. The people said in a chorus, "Long live the king." Sorry, here live is not given. Long live. Okay. Long live the king. Okay, now who will give answer? Raise your hand. Those who want to make this, जिनको बनाने की इच्छा है, raise your hand. Only Jivesh. Okay, Jivesh, try to make.
The people wish that the king lives long.
The people, once again.
The people wish that the king lives long.
Okay, is there anyone who wanted to make? Harshita, try to make. Long live the king is given. Yes, speak.
The people wished that the king lives long.
Okay, is there anyone? Okay, now question is, the people said in a chorus, "Long live the king," and the answer is, the people prayed in a chorus that the king might live long. The king might live long. Here, Once again listen, the people prayed in a chorus. The people prayed, P-R-A-Y-E-D. Chorus is a type of song with the help of we may pray God, okay. Now here it is given, the people prayed in a chorus, when everyone is singing a chorus. So now you have to write down answer. The people prayed in a chorus that, in place of comma, inverted comma, you have to write that the king might live long. Okay, now next question. Next question is, his grandfather said, his grandfather said, his grandfather said, may you live a long, may you live a long, may you live a long and prosperous life, and prosperous life. Now once again I am repeating here. Okay, question is, his grandfather said, may you live a long and prosperous life. I think you all have written. Write fast first. Everyone try to write. I am repeating one time more. His grandfather said, may you live a long and prosperous life. I think you all have written. Now those who wanted to make this, raise your hand. Do fast, Mohit, Jivesh. Okay, Mohit, speak.
His grandfather blessed that he might live a long and prosperous life.
Once again, repeat.
His grandfather blessed that he might live a long and prosperous life.
Okay, just wait. Now, Rahul.
His grandfather wished that he might live a long and prosperous life.
Okay, now next, Jivesh.
His grandfather blessed him that he might live a long and prosperous life.
Okay, everyone has given well answered. Okay, you may get marks also, but listen carefully. What is the right answer? Answer is, his grandfather prayed that he might live a long and prosperous life. Okay, this type of sentences whenever come, then we are praying to God, because it is not in our hand, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. Then we are giving other life, so it is in the hand of God, so we are praying. So here we have to put prayed. Either whatever you have said, it's also good, because we may say waste, हम लोग इच्छा भी कर सकते हैं, blessed, किसी को आशीर्वाद भी दे सकते हैं. Okay, all answer is in correct way, but I have given you answer. You may write also this. His grandfather prayed that he might live a long and prosperous life. Now next question. Harsh Kumar, you are listening my voice. Harsh, he is not listening my voice. Okay, Harsh, 9B के हर्ष हो.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, आपसे ना उसमें क्लास मेंशन कर देगा, ठीक है. ओके, और रोल नंबर लिख दोगे. ठीक है, हम समझ गए तुम ही हो, आपसे क्लास मेंशन कर दोगे के बाद क्लास लिख दोगे 9B. ओके, ना After that, next question is, write down everyone. The tired traveler said. The tired, T-I-R-E-D. The tired traveler said, comma, inverted comma, oh, for a ship of water. Oh, for a ship, S-H-I-P, ship of water. The tired traveler said, oh, for a sip of water. Now, start making everyone. Look at the question and start making. Try to make do fast. Those who have completed, they have to raise their hand. Okay? अगर कंप्लीट हो गया तो हाथ उठा सकते हैं. Okay, Jeeves and Vizia. Only Jeeves. Okay. Speak answer, Jeeves.
The tired traveler desired that he might get a sip of water.
Okay, very good. And now everyone try to write answer. The answer is, the tired traveler ardently. It means he is wishing for the core of heart. So we have to write ardently. A-R-D-E-N-T-L-Y. A-R-D-E-N-T-L-Y. The tired traveler ardently wished for a sheep of water. The tired.
Excuse me, Diji.
एक सेकेंड रुको, हम दरवाजा सटा दिया. गेट सटा दो तो बहुत आवाज है. Yes, yes, I have taken. Okay, now, तुम तो जानते हो 12 बजे क्लास होता है. ये नहीं जानते. चलो बड़ा चुपचाप जाओ, बैठो. गो एंड टेक योर सीट. सब क्लास एक समय पहुंच जाते हैं. Okay, now listen everyone. Here it is given that, तो थोड़ा सा आवाज आ रहा होगा खटखुट का. अब तुम लोग के आने का तैयारी है ना, 7 तारीख से आओगे. ठीक है. नाउ लिसन, हियर इट इज गिवन दैट क्वेश्चन इज, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, द टायर्ड ट्रैवलर आर्डेंटली, A-R-D-E-N-T-L-Y, आर्डेंटली wished for a sip of water. Wished for a sip of water, S-I-P. Written everyone? Okay, now yes. मैन 14 और वो लेना है 6, एडिशनल 6. तुम भी ले लो क्या? लेकिन 12 अब से स्टूडेंट होकर बदमाशी करते हो. 12 बजे नहीं आओगी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट डाउन एवरीवन. क्वेश्चन इज, द पुअर लिटिल बॉय सेड. द पुअर लिटिल बॉय सेड. सटा. The poor little boy said, little boy said, इसी क्लास में पढ़ता है. हाँ, 12 क्लास में मालूम है. तो जाकर पीछे बैठो. और भी नहीं, हम पढ़ती क्लास आता है. क्लास prince. Would that I were a prince. I were a prince. आवाज नहीं होना चाहिए. Now write down question. Question is the poor little boy said, "Would that I were a prince." पूरा तुम लोग मेरा वीडियो खराब किया. तुम लोग स्टूडेंट हो, इतना होना चाहिए ना कि 12 से 12:30 क्लास होता है. ठीक है, अदर क्लास में के समय आता तो हमसे चलो मालूम नहीं. अब हमें ये वीडियो को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा चक्कर. The poor little boy said, "Would that I were a prince." कॉपी लाए हो FT का, उसमें पीछे में हिंदी संस्कृत लिखो, उसके नीचे डालो और 14 मैन पेपर लो और लूज पेपर 6 ले लो. और तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बताओ? और तुम्हारा तो फी क्लियर है. हाँ क्लियर है, ठीक है तो जमा करो. और सुनो ए लड़की, जुलाई और अगस्त 20 तारीख तक बोलते ना गार्जियन को जमा करवाना. और अमन तुम्हारी मम्मी जो वादा करके गई है फुलफिल कर देना है. सब उसमें रखो जाओ. तो डिस्टर्ब करता है, मेरा वीडियो का सत्यानाश किया तुमने. ओके ना 14:14. Now listen, the poor little boy said, "Oh that I were a prince." Once again question. The poor little boy said, "Would that I were a prince." Written everyone? Who wanted to make this? कौन बनाना चाहते हो इसको? Raise hand. Is there anyone? Okay, 1, 2 hands. Okay, Kus, try to make.
The poor little boy wished if he were a prince.
Okay, the poor little boy wished if he were a prince. Okay, now Jivesh, what is your answer?
The poor little boy decided that he might be a prince.
Okay, now write down. Right answer, right? Oh, Rahul, speak. Okay, Rahul, speak.
The poor little girl wished that he were a prince.
Yes, very
Girl.
good. The poor little boy wished that he
Girl.
were a prince. Very good, Rahul. Okay, now once again I am repeating answer. The poor little boy wished that he were a prince. Now next question. ले लिया ना सर? रबड़ ले लो. ये है यहाँ पे, ठीक से जमा करना. वैसे भी 7 को स्कूल खुल रहा है, स्कूल आ जाओगे. Okay, now next question, write down. The angry old woman said to him, the angry old woman said to him. Written everyone, write fast. The angry old woman said to him, the angry old woman said to him, comma inverted comma, may you burn in everlasting fire. May you burn in everlasting fire. May you burn in everlasting fire. Okay, now write fast first. First write down. The angry old woman said to him, "May you burn in everlasting fire." Written everyone? ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down everyone, just wait. ठीक है, जाओ सब लेने पेपर. ओके, हाँ एकदम 7 को मैसेज जाएगा कितने बजे आना है, कितने पीरियड का रूटीन लाना है, एंड यू हैव टू कम इन प्रॉपर वे. ओके, I think all have written. Okay, now who wanted to give answer? Yes, there are so many names. Harshita, speak answer first.
The angry old woman cursed him that he might burn in everlasting fire.
Okay, now Rahul.
The angry old woman cursed him, he might burn in everlasting fire.
Jivesh.
The angry old woman cursed him that he might burn in an everlasting fire.
Mohit.
The angry old woman cursed him that he might burn in everlasting fire.
Okay, very good. You four. Everyone answer is in well-mannered and correct way. I am checking you all. हर्षिता पहले उत्तर सही दे चुकी थी, but I have to check that if you have heard you are doing some changes or not. Okay, very good. Now, the same answer, right answer. The angry old woman cursed him that he might burn in everlasting fire. Okay, now next question we have to write question number 6. Write down everyone in your copy. Question is, the woman said to me, comma, inverted comma, may you have a safe journey. May you have a safe journey. Once again I am repeating question. The woman said to me, may you have a safe journey. Okay? Once again, the woman said to me, may you have a safe journey. Write everyone, do fast. Then I will ask you what is the right answer. I think you all have written. Raise your hand. Okay, now 2, 3 hands. This time I am giving chance to Mohit first. Okay, Mohit, speak answer.
The woman wished me that I might have a safe journey.
Okay, now next Rahul.
The woman wished him that he might had a safe journey.
Okay, now next Harshita.
The woman wished or prayed me that I might have a safe journey.
Okay, now Jivesh.
The woman wished me that I might have a safe journey.
Okay, listen, you according to subject और object. You किसके अनुसार बदलेगा? Subject के अनुसार या object के अनुसार? Rahul, you have mistaken ना? We have to change you according to object.
पास्ट में ना बदलेंगे, हेड में ना हो जाएगा.
Now listen, no, listen carefully. You according to object. Object is me. Then we have to write I. Okay. If I is given in inverted comma, then we have to change according to the woman. So the right answer is, what is the right answer? Everyone has given right answer, but only Rahul mistaken. Okay, no problem. The woman prayed that I might have a safe journey. The woman prayed that I might have a safe journey. And in place of prayed, you may write ornament. वर्ड्स, ओके, हम लोग लिख सकते हैं विश्ड भी, बट हियर आई हैव गिवन यू प्रेड. ओके, नाउ द टाइम इज ओवर. आई थिंक, sorry for inconvenience, some student came for taking and guardians also. In this period I have already mentioned that do not come at 12 o'clock and 9 o'clock because I have periods. Even then they can. Sorry, but I am asking one more question, okay, because I have taken your 2 minutes, so I am giving you one more question. You have to write down. This is very interesting question. Then we will leave from the class. Now question number 7. The dying, D-Y-I-N-G, the dying man cursed answer is that. Okay, no problem. The dying man said to him, cruel master, may you not see another sunrise. May you not see another sunrise. I think you all have written. Question is, the dying man said to his cruel master, may you not see another surprise. Surprisingly, I have told the word. Those who have heard, very good. Those who have not heard, it's also too good. Now, once again I am repeating question. The dying man said to his cruel master, may you not see another sunrise. Who wanted to make? Raise your hand. Okay, Aditi. Aditi, start. Aditi is not listening voice now. Mohit.
The dying man cursed his cruel master that he might not see another sunrise.
Okay. Harshita.
The dying man cursed his cruel master that he might not see another sunrise.
Okay. Next, Jivesh.
The dying man cursed his cruel master that he might not see another sunrise.
Okay, Rahul.
The dying man cursed his cruel master that might not see the
Okay. Very good, everyone. The dying man cursed his cruel master that he might not see another sunrise. And at last, those who have joined, very good. And now those who have participated, active participation, like Mohit, Jivesh, Harshita, Rahul, Kus. You 5, very good. Thank you, everyone. Those who have also answered, and if I have left anyone name, then I will give another day. Okay, now I think there is no problem, and I am giving you topic for tomorrow topic. Aditi has raised hand, but
Rahul is saying something.
Yes, Rahul, say.
Didi,
Speak.
दीदी स्कूल 7 तारीख से खुलेगा क्या?
आई एम नॉट लिसनिंग राहुल, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, ठीक है ना?
दीदी जी 7 तारीख से स्कूल खुलेगा क्या?
Oh yes, 7 से, yes. School will open. Now listen carefully. Tomorrow I will give you exclamatory sentence, okay, and you have to try to change. Okay, prepare yourself. Till have a nice day. I am ending meeting. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.